Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. I'm going to talk about today's politics. There are two heavyweight parties in Bangladesh, though there are many political parties in Bangladesh. Everyone knows these two heavyweight parties very well. So, today is also the blockade some areas, and we should aware about the safety and security. Nobody will not go out without safety and security in case of emergency. So it will be helpful to everyone to any unexpected circumstances. So be careful, be aware, be safe always. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.